I'm putting together the perfect side dish for Sunday dinner, and I'm cooking it up in a Curtis stone pan. We're getting it started right now. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am cooking up Southern style green beans and potatoes. And I'm using my Curtis stone multi-purpose pan to cook it in. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and that kind of thing, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes and the links in the description box below, because that's where I'll link some of my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. It is the perfect pan to cook this kind of a dish, and this is the perfect side dish for a Sunday meal. If you use fresh green beans, and I suggest fresh, it takes just a little bit longer to cook, and sometimes and usually on Sunday, you've got that extra time. So it's the perfect pan to use when you've got several things you've got to cook in succession. I can fry the bacon, saute the veggies, and then throw in the green beans and potatoes. If you choose not to use fresh green beans, then you want to go ahead and get the potatoes cooked first and then add the canned green beans just a little bit later. Me, I'm using fresh. Let's take a look. So I'm going to start out by cooking the bacon. I put the Kroger peppered bacon in the skillet. I've got it on medium heat, and the pan seems to be heating it very evenly, which is always important. I cut the bacon, each strip, into about 3 pieces. So we'll see how this green beans and potatoes recipe turns out. And I've got the burner on medium so that I don't have grease popping out all over the place. So I added a tablespoon of butter, and now I'm going to add my onion, and I'm going to cook it about 5 minutes until it's translucent. I've got it on medium-low heat. Now that my onions are nicely browned, I'm going to add my garlic, the potatoes and green beans, a 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and the crumbled up bacon. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I will cook it on medium-low for about 10 minutes. And one thing that I really like about this pan is its size. It's nice and large. It's deep enough to kind of turn things over when I'm cooking. And I like the vented lid that goes along with it. Wow, those look pretty darn good. Well, the green beans and potatoes and the bacon are done, and I'm going to take it to the table. So I think this pan has really done a wonderful job. I really like the way it cooks this particular dish. So here's a close-up of the pan, and it is the Curtis Stone 14-inch deep multi-purpose pan. And one of the features that I really like most about it is the fact that you've got a handle on each side, makes it easy to lift. And most of the time the handles don't get too hot, but just in case they do, you might want to use a hot pad. Another great feature is this vent in the lid. So you've got this great lid that comes with it, and then you've got a vent there. And then take a look at the interior of the pan. This non-stick surface is just absolutely amazing. You can limit how much oil you cook with. You can cook with no oil or just a small amount of spray oil or a little bit of olive oil. My husband uses it to cook fish, and I use it to cook a variety of things. And then one other thing that I want you to see, or one other feature, is the back of the pan. And I like the way it's just a nice smooth exterior, so it doesn't scratch up my glass top stove. So there you have it, one of my favorite pans to use, and it beautifully cooked up that Southern style green beans and potato dish. Here's my question for you. What part of today's cooking adventure did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. And one thing that I really like about this pan is its size. It's nice and large. It's deep enough to kind of turn things over when I'm cooking. And I like the vented lid that goes along with it. It cooks things evenly, and it is just perfect.